Hello and welcome to a short video introducing you to our Molex DataGate 4-pair termination tool. The robust tool frame is manufactured from high-grade steel. It is also fitted with ergonomic, comfortable handles and cable color code and jack positioning guides on the frame, making lacing the wires quick and easy. It can be used with an unshielded Cat5e and Cat6 or a shielded Cat6a termination head. These die-cast heads are easily changeable using the Allen key provided. This is a reliable product that reduces installation time compared to a single wire tool and accurately seats, cleanly terminates and neatly trims the wires with just one squeeze of the handles. Prepare your cable according to the type of cable you're using. Here I have a category 5E and I've already separated my wires ready for putting into the guides according to the color chart on the tool itself. So let's begin. So first we'll go here with the green cable and then the green and white.
And orange and white. And then the browns, brown and white. And the brown, and finally the blue.
Okay, once we have our cables in the device, we take our jack and ensuring that the notch is lined up with the notch on the device here, we take it and we simply place it over the top of the other cables. We rotate the entire thing down, and then with one squeeze of the handles, that is now going to be terminated. So I can rotate that back and remove it from the tool, and you'll see all the offcuts of cable, and you end up with one perfectly terminated jack.